guys, so in this video I'm going to take you to pick up my iPhone 13, which I have pre-booked around a week ago, and I'm going to the Apple store at the Marina Bay Sands. The mall looks so quiet. Not sure if it's because of COVID or it's just because it's too early. Yay! I got my iPhone. It was actually not that long, it's just a queue. Probably it's because of the safe distancing, but yeah, I managed to get mine. Pretty fast actually, so it's like around 30 minutes or so. They're just like really good, although the queue is extended until behind the building, but it's all worth it. And I got a new case also, which I will just show you later when I'm home. Let's do the unboxing together. And now I'm back at home with my iPhone 13. I plan to do unboxing together with you guys. So before I open this, I want to explain a bit why I get it and what's so special with this iPhone 13. I choose this iPhone 13 Pro. It's in Sierra Blue, their latest color. I love the color blue. I think blue is the color of the year for me. So yeah, I think blue it is when I decided the color, and the blue is like very nice. It's not like I know iPhone 12 have got this space blue. Is it space? Anyway, it's like a darker blue. This one is the lighter blue. Memory is 512 GB. I know that iPhone Pro have this 1 TB, which is like amazing. It's like the size of my hard disk, but then I don't think I will need that much space, although I take thousands of selfies quite often. The price point is of course different. Let's see what can I do with this one first, as I have another phone with me, which I'm not going to link that later. This one is iPhone XS, and this is the last time I bought an iPhone back in 2019. Yes, so I decided to get this. It's actually my kind of birthday gift because I didn't get myself anything for birthday. This phone will be such a good phone for me because they have lots of upgrades which iPhone XS didn't have. So how do I do this? Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera now so we can do an unboxing together. And don't forget to click subscribe and like my videos. Watch it till the end. It will really help my channel out, and keep on watching. Have this older model of iPhone, because mine is iPhone XS. Before, see the behind part is cracked because I dropped it multiple times, but it's still working very fine. you know, this model has like a big improvement, but if you guys have iPhone 12 Pro, probably the improvements might not be that noticeable, but this one definitely is a major improvement of iPhone if you care about details. They claim that the battery life is better than iPhone 12, definitely, because it has extra 2.5 hours, which matters a lot to me because I think my whole life is on my phone, all of it. I work, I play, I watch movies, I call. Apple claimed that you do not need to get an iPhone Pro Max, which is bigger in size, to get better quality of camera. Look, I'm not an IT person. The thing is whether it's using perfectly as what I wanted. I really love the camera, and I always wanted to have this 0.5 mm thing, which is kind of cute. And I never knew that I will want to buy this case on Apple Store, but I feel like I need to have this to protect this. I never buy from Apple before, but my mom did, and it lasts her for as long as she had the phone, so I believe that the quality must be that good. It's just I really want to get that MagSafe here, because I keep all of my cards behind my phone. See, that's how important my phone is. It's like here all the time. Needless to say that I'm a social media addict. The other thing that I like about my iPhone 13 Pro is that the size. The size is not as it's just like almost similar as the iPhone XS, just slightly bigger. This is like really handy, and I'm just going to get the screen protector later on. But I also have purchased the Apple Care. I think it's a must because that you use every day. Sometimes you might drop it, sometimes you, I don't know, accidents happens all the time. So I think the Apple Care is a save of money. It's just an extra of $200 something, but it protects your phone for 2 years. I don't purchase iPhone every year because I'm not that crazy about gadget, as you know, and my contents are not about gadget. It's just like my personal opinion on iPhone. But over the time, I will update you guys on how it actually is on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow my Instagram. And yeah, I am pretty much happy and excited for this phone. And don't ask me why I choose this in like brown orange thing. This one made of leather, and it's around 80 bucks on Apple Singapore. But yeah, the blue reminds me of the color of ocean, and the orange reminds me of the Nemo, like Finding Nemo. So my phone is a miniature of Finding Nemo. I'm not sure why. I'm going to take a selfie in this camera, and I will attach you guys over here later so that you guys can see. So far I'm happy with this phone, and I'm going to protect it. Alright, that's enough. I think it will be released in Indonesia on the 25th, which is tomorrow. Today is the 24th of September. But it's going to take some more days for it to be ready to be picked up. There's no down point for me because some people I know, they say that it's really not convenient because they do not provide a charger anymore. If you are a first-time iPhone user, then yes, it might probably bother you. I don't really mind with no charger and no earphone. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys plan on getting one, or what do you guys think about iPhone 13? Is it like overpriced, overrated, or anything? Just let me know on the comment section below. I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead, and don't forget to follow my Instagram, subscribe my channel, and also like this video, also share if you guys like it. And I'll see see you guys on another video. Bye bye. I should close this with the iPhone as well. Bye 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 bye.